So, you've been investing with StashAway and now you're wondering, can I actually get my money out when I need it? Well, let's dive right in and clear up any confusion. Understanding StashAway. Before we talk about withdrawals, let's quickly recap what StashAway is. It's a digital investment platform that makes investing accessible to everyone. They offer a variety of investment plans, from low risk to high risk, to suit different financial goals. The flexibility of StashAway. One of the biggest perks of StashAway is its flexibility. You're not locked into a long-term contract. This means you have the freedom to withdraw your money whenever you want. How to withdraw your money? Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. Withdrawing your money from StashAway is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your account. Simply log into your StashAway account using your credentials. Navigate to the withdrawal page. Once logged in, look for the Withdraw or Withdraw Funds option. It's usually located in your account settings or dashboard. Specify the withdrawal amount. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Ensure it's a valid amount and within your account balance. Confirm the withdrawal. Double-check the withdrawal details to avoid any errors. Once you're satisfied, confirm the withdrawal request. How long does it take? The processing time for withdrawals can vary depending on a few factors. Withdrawal method. If you're withdrawing to your bank account, it might take a few business days for the funds to reflect. Bank processing time. Your bank's processing time can also influence the overall withdrawal time. Important considerations. While StashAway offers flexibility, it's essential to consider a few things before withdrawing. Investment goals. If you're withdrawing for a short-term goal, make sure it aligns with your investment strategy. Market fluctuations. Keep in mind that the value of your investments can fluctuate. Timing your withdrawal can impact the amount you receive. Tax implications. Be aware of any tax implications associated with withdrawals, especially if you're withdrawing before a certain period. So, to answer the question, can I withdraw my money from StashAway? Yes, you absolutely can. StashAway is designed to provide flexibility and control over your investments. By following the simple steps outlined, you can easily access your funds when you need them. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.